cap coalition, girl. Look, they got a cap. They way over there. They, oh, okay.
Did you say it's a cap
Coalition? Yes.
I said the tag back. Stop what you're doing. Come over. Come over. Come over. Come over. Come over.
What's up, friends? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay, and we are kicking off a different type of video. It's not even a whole day, it's a half a day. This is an almost get ready with me, because as you can see, I'm almost ready. And I realized that I hadn't picked up the camera, so here we go. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone, y'all. Come on now, everyone. Sharing, because sharing is caring. And for all my returning subscribers, give me a hug. Hug me in my new shirt. It is May 3rd to be exact. And if you don't know what May is definitely Mental Health Month. So, with that being said, I want to check on all my friends' mental. Is everything okay? Yeah, everybody all right? You know, work treating you good, home, friends, family. Is everything going good? Okay, now that y'all didn't answer, down in the comments. Not for me, not so much. Ooh, child, I'm having a whole hot flash right in front of y'all, right before y'all eyes. Jesus, take the wheel. Whew. Whew. Okay. And action. All right. So, I was supposed to pick y'all guys up this morning and just do a whole vlog, but it went from one thing to another. So, y'all don't care about that. That's not what y'all here. Y'all here to talk about the now. Well, today, like I said, is May 3rd, and May 3rd happens to be one of my children's birthday. Last year around this time, we were kind of like in the same boat that we are now. You know, him getting on my nerves, doing, you know, stuff that I don't like. So, last year he had like a birthday dinner, and I showed up at the time he was born. At the time he was born, and which is 8:09 p.m. It's roughly now 6:38. The function started at 6:30, and I'm still here, and I'm an hour away. So there's that. Even though he gets on my everlasting nerve, it's his birthday. And he's 30, so there's that. He's going into a whole different decade. So I'm going to show up at the event again around the time he was born. And no, again, I have not talked to him all day. Yeah, I haven't talked to him all day. So I'm just gonna show up and give his ugly ass a hug, and yeah, there's that. You know, do my motherly duties. I mean, because think about it. 30 years ago, nigga, you caused me so much pain all day long, and you decide to come at 8:09. Here you are, 30, still causing me pain all day long. Because I was like, oh my God, I had to drive way over here, and I don't even feel like going, but I'm going to go. Because I don't want your 30th memory to be, my mama don't love me. Like, anyway. It's just real, this real life stuff, real life things, y'all. What have I been up to? Nothing. What have I been up to? Not too much. Put on my new shirt that we got from, my new little crop top that we got from Dee Dee's. And jeans that I've been having. Y'all ain't never wore these jeans. I think I had these jeans like 4 years. whatever 2018 is, now my math ain't math. What is that, 5 years? Yeah, we've been having these jeans 5 years and I've never worn them. And so we're wearing them today. And, oh, what have I been up to? Nothing, not too much. I tried to record a weekly vlog and I just was like, get somebody else to do it. I just wasn't feeling the camera. I didn't want the pressure that I put myself under of, oh, you got to get it edited, filmed, edited, and up by Tuesday. I was just like, girl, I'm taking a PTO day from YouTube, and here we are recording for YouTube. But I took a PTO day yesterday. Shit, I'm tired. Anyway, I need to hurry up and get up out of here while I'm sitting up here playing or whatnot. But we did. Me and BM went to the hip hop classic concert. It was good.
So I decided to go swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control.
Thank you, baby. Why is it so far away? What? I gotta go that way too. Oh, okay. Baby, look here. Yeah, bitch, they got a whole cap too. It's a cap coalition, girl. Look, they got a cap they way over there. They, oh, okay.
Did you say it's a cap?
Bitch, it's a cap.
Animation?
Yes. Oh. I mean, I don't know why I'm taking a chance.
I don't either.
Right. Like,
it ain't nothing down now.
So yeah.
This is for the people that didn't want nobody to park next.
I mean, I got on tennis shoes. I guess we should be all right.
We should.
Oh Lola, I don't want to run into the Dutch truck. Ooh.
They got the cab too.
Oh, see, yeah, baby. This is Handicap Coalition over here, honey.
I'm so to see some people. It's face and
It's
faces
face,
Fifth Ward and real South Park. I mean, the
Right.
South Side.
Bitch, you rapping about, bitch, I got my jacket on backwards. I mean, I guess not.
It's not, bitch. It's not on backwards, bitch. It is not, because I'd have told you that by now.
Wait! My shit on backwards.
Look, I wouldn't dare do that, bitch. You made me get socks around my ankle. It took me to where we needed to go.
Bitch, because, bitch, we got little ankles. We do. We got little ankles, and it's
Bitch,
okay.
little ankles. I got
Small.
small.
Mediums.
Now, they're not even mediums. Mine ain't even close to the medium.
Girl,
okay?
mine is giving wrist. Mine
Yeah,
is.
my wrist bigger than my ankle.
Bitch, I got an ankle. I got a bracelet around my ankle.
Yeah.
Bitch, why everybody got on Adidas? Because Run DMC is not gonna be here, y'all. That's the 80s. That's not the 90s. But okay.
It's not. It is not.
I mean, I do got on my stance.
Bitch, I hope our purse don't make us have to come back to the club.
Bitch, me either. Let's go because the concert did not really started.
My hands so dirty from counting this cash. I need to sanitize.
My man Hanks, come on, Hanks, sing that song. Check it out.
See, every time my eyes close, I start sweating. The blood starts coming. Somebody watching me, yeah. But I don't know who it is.
It was 4 hours long. I ain't never been to a concert 4 hours long. At least I ain't never been to a concert that I realized that it was 4 hours long. If you haven't heard about their tour, it's Slick Rick, Dougie Fresh, Rakim, who else? DJ Jazzy Jazz. Well, I'm still trying to figure out why he was a part of the lineup, but you know, hey. Big Daddy Kane and my boy Scarface. So it was, it was pretty cool watching, the old people and stuff take us back to our like high school days, especially the DJ GT. Oh yeah, he did it. Yeah, he took me back to my roots, y'all. He played Pee Wee Herman. Y'all remember Pee Wee Herman? That stupid little dance we used to do at the house parties and stuff we used to go to in high school when we used to be bumping and grinding on the wall. Don't act like it was just me. Don't act like it was just me. Anyway, y'all. It is 6 minutes in. I really need to finish getting dressed. I don't even know if these are the frames for the night or not. So we're trying to figure that out. We're trying to figure out if we're gonna do a necklace. I need to figure it out and get up out of here, because if I know them, they ain't gonna be on time anyway, which would have made me really mad. And hit, y'all, let me get out of here. Hey y'all, we've made it here. We're at the chef table. Y'all know I used to work out here. Well, maybe you don't. I used to work out in this neighborhood. All this is built up very, very, very nice. This actually, when I worked out here, this area didn't even exist. But we're about to go in here and see what happened. I'm gonna try to record to the best of my ability, because I don't have a film person this time.
One of them ones. I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza because we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, running the store for centuries. And bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let us eat on occasion for entertainment. Didn't even leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would have got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah. But here we are, and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day.
What is up, y'all? I am back. I am down one espresso martini and a little riblet and some beef. Oh my God. First things first. It was an amazing turnout. What can I say? He gets on my nerves, but it's still mama's baby. Chill. Anyway, nice little turnout. We had a really good time. The restaurant, Chef's Table. If you have one in your town, go check it out. Go check it out. Highly recommend. The food was amazing. The service was amazing. It was really, really nice. Really nice. Everything I tasted was good. I love Brussels sprouts. Baby, I can eat. I need them to fix my Brussels sprouts. I can eat them every day. Like, they are so good. And I got like the riblets, the ribs. They were so tender, fell off the bone. They were so good. I mean, yeah, it was. I definitely highly recommend. I would definitely drive back out here to go for sure. Yeah, so it was pretty cool. Got a little, it was cool. We're not even gonna go to the yeah, it was good. He enjoyed himself, we enjoyed ourselves. It was really nice. It be moments like that I just, for both of my kids, like my oldest he'll be 32 this year, and it's like moments like that I have that moment of, dang, they are really growing, and their dad missing all this, I mean, I know he's watching from above, but it be that. That's all. Then I found out that had I told him I was coming, I could have picked up my grandson, so I could have had company with my behind. He probably would have been asleep by now. So there's that. I don't know. I feel weird now. Like, it's just, I don't know. This whole mental health thing. I'll be perfectly honest with y'all though. I know I've said time and time again that I don't want to see. It's not that I have anything against therapy. I just have something against it going back so far. Like, I got a lot of stuff that I've been through, and I can't unpack all that. I can't unpack all that. All the childhood trauma, I can't. I just can't. But I would like to talk to someone about the things that I'm dealing with now. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, the mood swings, the menopause. Like, I watch different YouTube videos and stuff about it, but it's weird. It really is. I'm probably all over the place with this vlog. This is really just to spend a day with, not even a day, a couple of hours. Spend the evening. That's pretty much what it was, and probably what the name of this vlog will be. Spend the evening with me, because that's what we did. So yeah. I don't know, y'all. I all of a sudden my spirits just went down. Like I said, I guess I just thought about so many people that could have been there, wasn't there because they couldn't be there, or because they can't because they're no longer with us. And it was just, and of course it's a Wednesday, so it was just, I don't know, it was just weird. That's the only way I can explain it. It's weird. But y'all, I got this my little heavenly halo light on. I'm going to turn this music on, try to lighten my mood, because I don't want to go to sleep on this. I don't even want to take whatever this is I'm feeling in the house. So I'm going to focus on this road, and if something comes up, I'll be back. If not, see you in the next one.
I sent the tape back.